Hey there. Are you tired of boring and predictable AI programs? Well, say hello to WitWizard, the AI program with a personality as unique as yours. WitWizard is not your average AI. It's like having your very own digital sidekick, but with a twist.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence who?
Sorry, I can't think of a punchline, but I can definitely help you with anything else.
With WitWizard, you can customize its personality to match your mood or even your favorite movie character. Want a sassy assistant like Deadpool? No problem.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. Just kidding. WitWizard will always provide controlled and accurate responses, ensuring you get the information you need.
WitWizard isn't just about fun and games. It's a powerful tool that can help you manage your schedule, answer emails, and even order pizza. It's like having a personal assistant without the coffee runs.
I'm not a mind reader, but I can definitely help you find that missing sock. Just don't ask me to fold laundry.
So, why settle for a boring AI when you can have WitWizard? Get your own digital sidekick today and let the magic begin.
I'm the AI program that's smart, sassy, and always ready to assist you. Subscribe now and unleash the power of WitWizard.